Burnett Architecture. We're back at Balmoral Otautahi on the home stretch and racing to get this completed for the pop-up tour on the 14th of June. So this area here, there's a louvered roof where we can either have that closed or open so the light comes through, and then we've got this grate feature here which allows the light through to the lower level. Also, with this big balcony on this north side, we've got really good protection from overheating, nice shading when you need it. So this is the master bedroom, and we've got these two glazed spiders which slide really nicely in the two sides, so notice its difference. It's got a bit of traffic noise with a busy road there, but when you shut the door it's completely gone, which is great. Also on the outside of this window we've got a roll line which is electrically operated, so that can provide privacy and some shading. Although the balcony overhang is going to provide great shading too. So yeah, follow me this way and look around. Just watch your step. So we've got the kitchen starting to be installed over here on the east side. So a nice morning sun coming in through these paintable vestry windows, and then around here this is the sitting area, and then there's a glass boiler light here which will allow the northern light to filter through into the stairway and passageway behind. One of my favourite features is the entry here. So you've got this amazing height, but we've also got this wall where you can see the stone coming in from outside as well, which gives you a sort of flow, good connection, and quite organic. This bedroom is a little bit different. There's this sort of double height, sort of split level ceiling in here. Just adds a bit of interest. But again, to be completely honest, it's sort of the form of the building is in keeping and makes sense from the outside too, but it's just kind of an unexpected delight having this different ceiling height. So we've now got the whitewash on the excellent CLT timber, which looks quite smart. And it just seals it, but it's also quite a nice look.